Hello students, again welcome to Bholanath Academy. Today we are going to see the functional group of organic compound, that is part 2. The 10th functional group, students, that we are going to see here, that is called as ethers. Ethers, students, how it is derived, that you are knowing. When hydrogen of the alkane is replaced by alkoxy group, we called as ether. That means ether formula, students, will becomes ROR, that is called as ether. Now students, when you see the example here, this is the methoxy group I am going to attach here. This is methoxy group. Now hydrogen of the methane we are replacing with methoxy group. It is called as dimethyl ether. This is the simplest example, students. Now you may have, say, when the oxygen has two valency, when both the side having what, same alkyl group, we call as simple ether. If it is different alkyl group, we call as mixed ether. Now students, 11 functional group that we are going to see, that is called as aldehydes. What is aldehyde, students? Here also, when hydrogen of the alkane you are replacing with this group, aldehyde group, this is called as aldehyde group, we called as compound is aldehyde. Say for example, students, C double bond with oxygen, and here you have hydrogen. This is called as what? Aldehyde. Example, students, when I am replacing hydrogen of the methane with aldehyde group, this aldehyde group always we are putting at the terminal. This is called as acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Very famous aldehyde, students, acetaldehyde, because it contains two carbon, we call as ethanol also. Now 11th, students, we have seen. Now 12 functional group is ketones. Now what happens, students, when hydrogen of the alkane is replaced by alkoxy group? This is alkoxy group. This we call as what? Alkoxy group. This is called as ketone. Example, students, carbonyl is having both the side. You have alkyl groups. Here methyl. Here I am also attaching with methyl. This is the simplest example of ketone that we call as, students, acetone. Now students, we will see the 13th functional group that we call as carboxylic acid. Now here also, students, when hydrogen of the alkanes we are replacing with carboxylic group. This is carboxylic group, or we can represent this like this also, COOH. It's called as carboxylic acid. Example, students, I am taking hydrogen of the methane, I am replacing with carboxylic group. This is called as acetic acid. This is the acetic acid. If you are attaching hydrogen to the carboxylic group, we call as formic acid. Formic acid is the exceptional, students, acid. Now students, we will see the 13th. Now we will see 14th one. 14th functional group is ester. Students, esters also having the definition when hydrogen of the alkanes you are replacing with ester group. This is the ester group, students. Instead of hydroxyl you have what? Alkoxy group. So this is the ester. Now example, students, you can put here CH3 and you have ester group. Here in place of this alkyl I am putting here C2H5. So this is called as acetyl group. This is acetyl group. From here to here we called as acetate. This is acetate and this is what? Ethyl. So what will be the name of this compound, students? The compound name will be ethyl acetate. Very important step, students. Now we will see the 15th functional group, students, that we have, that is called as amides. What are the amides, students? When hydrogen of the alkanes we are replacing with amide group. This is amide group, students, CONH2. This is the amide group we call as amides. Say for example, students, you can put the example when hydrogen of the methane we are replacing with amide group. So this is called as acetamide, because two compound we call as acetamide. Now students, 16 students, we will see that is called as acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. This is very important functional group, students. Here you have when hydrogen of the alkane is replaced by anhydride group. This is anhydride group, students. 2 carbonyl group is attached to the oxygen. When hydrogen of the alkanes you are replacing with anhydride group, this is called as anhydride, we call it acid anhydride. Example, students, you have very famous example. This is the methane. Now hydrogen of this methane we are replacing with anhydride group, 2 carbonyl which is attached to the oxygen. This side is also putting methyl group. This is called as acetic anhydride. This is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Now students, 17 students, very famous functional group that is called as acyl chloride. Acyl chloride, students, what is acyl chloride? When hydrogen, same definition, students, we can write all the functional group definitions. When hydrogen of the alkanes we are replacing by acyl group, COCl is called as acyl group. This is the acyl group. We call as acyl acetyl. So what will be the name of this compound, students? Example, students, you can see this is the methane. Hydrogen of this methane now we are replacing with acyl group, COCl. The name, students, because this is acetyl, because here to here you can say what? Acetyl. So name of the compound is acetyl chloride. Now students, last functional group that we are going to see, that is having sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid, students. Sulfonic acid. Here, students, when hydrogen of the alkane is replaced by sulfonic group, this is the SO3H is the sulfonic group. This is compound is called as sulfonic acid. Say for example, student, alkyl I am taking C2H5. This is the ethane of the hydrogen. Now we are replacing with sulfonic group SO3H. So this is called as ethane sulfonic acid. The compound name will be what? Ethane sulfonic acid. So students, total we have seen 18 functional group. Students, these are very important in organic chemistry. You have to revise it every day. So students, thank you very much. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.